You know, last week Kadeen had us about thinking about whether you're 40 and then remembering your age. This week she got into pen pals. Oh my gosh. Does anybody remember pen pals? When you used to write a letter to a friend in another country or even another parish. Well, through the Alabaster Gate Children's Charity, founder Dr. Nadine Wong has taken that into the 21st century. She's helping students across Jamaica and the world learn about each other through Skype connections. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's
Thank
morning
you for having
time.
me.
First of all, tell me what inspired the Alabaster Gate Children's Charity.
The Alabaster Children's Charity was inspired because of Jamaica. Okay. My family, we attended Franklintown Primary School. And many years ago when Facebook came around, my friends reconnected and said, okay, you guys, come on board, help us. So I basically took a plane from Toronto, Canada, which is where I reside, and I came to Jamaica. And when I went back to Franklintown, I was in tears. Wow. I couldn't believe what I saw in terms of the disconnect between the children, education, and the zest for life. So I had I overheard a conversation between a teacher and a young child. I think he was in grade 4. And I overheard the teacher basically identifying the child as rude and dunce, all kind of negative comment. So I called the child over and I said to him, tell me exactly what is it you wanted to do. I expected an Indian, a doctor, a lawyer, DJ, track star, something. But this little boy didn't have that aspiration. His mom, who lives in, as he called it, foreign, told him that he didn't need education. Apparently she's sending for him.
Yes.
And she told him that he didn't need education because when he goes to foreign, all he needs is $1 to go to the dollar store. So I said to him, but I live in foreign and that's not my reality. And he said, but his mother said, now he's in grade 4. And at that age, anything your parents tell you, it's gospel. So I said, no, I have to find a creative way to bring North America to them. So I basically got back. I went to my family and said, okay, if we each gave $50, we can do something. So between my families and persons who visit the area, know of the school, said, you know what, this vision is very proactive. Let's see what we can do. So in a month, I raised $3,000 and that's basically how the charity got started. So I've been coming every so often on different curriculum activities, just giving them a topic in terms of what to research and then connecting them with countries that they may never actually have the opportunity to visit. So we're giving them a global experience without leaving the classroom.
Nice. So how does it work? I know the project is viewed by schools in Dubai, Africa, Australia, America. How do you choose the countries, the schools? How do the children get involved?
Well, to be honest with you, it's by invitation. So, for example, those who are watching today, should you desire for us to partner with you, just reach out to me at the alabastergates.com. And we'd be more than happy to basically put you on the curriculum. Thus far, it's through word of mouth. Like one person have a positive experience and they recommend another school and so on and so on. So that's basically what it is. It's no real strenuous routine. All we really need is just for you to say, you're in agreement with us, we come down, we do the program, and then we basically make the connection work.
All right. You said and you do a number of projects as well. It's not just connecting. Yes. You had a project where you assisted with the school's infrastructure. Another one. So talk to me about those projects as well.
So the projects are based on donations. So based on donations, we not just cover the technological aspect, we also provide food programs. So every school that we connect with in Jamaica, we send barrels with food supplies and academic supplies. I am an advocate for trades because not everyone has the mental capacity to be academically sound, to be a doctor or something where it requires more mental work. Yeah. So I've been offering school seats to give children the cultural awareness that basically before it goes to the grocery store, there was an origin and the origin is a seed. So every school we go, we offer them seed supplies to get kids aware of skill trades as well. So those are the other aspect of the program that we offer as well. How do
you think the program, particularly the Skyping and meeting, how do you think that's impacted other children? This morning we were talking about Peppa Pig and the way parents are saying their children now have a British accent and do the things Peppa does. How has it helped to impact them or shape them?
Oh, wow. We'll be here forever sharing stories. So I'll give one story. We were at Boscobel Primary School, I believe, and the topic was, who are your first inhabitants? So we connected with a school, a First Nation school in Toronto, Canada.
Nice.
And at the end of the program, this little boy came to me and he goes, Dr. Wong, if Canada first inhabitants were Indians, and in Canada and in Jamaica, we also had the Arawak Indians, who is Christopher Columbus? And I said, this is what we're talking about, is bring awareness to go beyond the education. That basically we are taught that there's so much more knowledge out there that we really need to tap into.
Yeah, and also our similarities.
Exactly.
You know, your First Nation, I have a friend, his family lives with them, and they had a competition, a logo. Right. It was interesting the way she said the same way we have music.
It's the same thing. I say we all eat chicken, it's just how we spice it. So the program basically brings that. The objective is, again, is to bring education beyond limitations. When I talk about students in Dubai, there's so many persons who are anxious, absolutely anxious, who wants to connect with children in Jamaica. And children in Jamaica needs to know that not because we are, as we say, little, but we tolerate in a sense. I think it's important that we offer that experience. We're working with key persons because we want this program to be a global experience where we physically give the children here the opportunity to travel, whether it's whatever country we're connecting them with.
It also improves their self-worth, eh?
Yeah, it's
because when they see other children wanting to connect with them, wanting to find out more about them. Yeah,
exactly. Again, this is an interpersonal development skill program. I remember I migrated over 30 years ago to Toronto, Canada, and I had the experience to travel before I actually, as they say, put down roots. And I see many times when the immigrants, when we go up, should you not have experience or exposure, you're singled out. And this program has deemed not to, well, it gives the children the opportunity to be aware that, listen, they have McDonald's here too. So those are some of the questions some of the kids ask, like, because some reason they think we're just on the beach, we're just having coconuts. And the kids in Toronto, the kids here ask, okay, well, are you guys just in an igloo? Is it just cold there? So it brings them closer that, wait a minute, we're not that much different. So should they have the opportunity to travel, they're not that green under the collar, as we would say, right?
That's awesome. Yeah. For students or administrators who are watching and they want to be a part of the program, Dr. Wong, how do they do so?
Well, you can always email me at alabasterchildren@gmail.com, or go to our website, which is at alabastergates.com as well. And I'm here for 7 days. Okay. Should you need to reach out to me, let's see. I think you should just email me.
Yes, I would say so too. All right, so you have the email. Make sure that you reach out to her. Schools, I think maybe even youth groups. You know?
Yeah, listen, the program is not just for primary school, it's not just for high school, it's just for students. So we pair students with their kind. So if it's grade 3, it's with grade 3. I am here to do a program, and actually after this interview, we're going to Franklin Town. And this particular program, the theme is, This is My Culture. And we'll be connecting with Ghana. So they'll be displacing their culture along with ours, just again, culture awareness. So that's the objective of it.
Wonderful. Great for Black History Month too, that they're connecting with Ghana. Wonderful having you.
Yes, thank you for having me.
All the best to you.
Oh, thank you.
Great program. And I'm thankful that you are connecting our children with the world.
It's important. Thank you.
All right. Founder of the Alabaster Gate Children's Charity, Dr. Nadine Wong. Some great people come from Franklin Town, you know. True, 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 true. Up next, the troubling issue of human trafficking in the Caribbean and the Americas. Stay with us.